Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I'd like to show you a new process I've been using to cook food. Here's a couple of eggs that have been sous vide for an hour at 145 degrees. Probably should have went a little longer. I already opened one up, but it would have been perfect if it would have been just a little bit longer. But you have to really pay attention to the temperature. So now I'm going to crack one of these open, and I think a lot of you will be surprised at what this looks like. So this has been cooking in a sous vide bath, which is a hot water bath, for an hour, maybe just a little bit over. So we're going to crack it open, and this should be a perfect poached egg. And I know it's kind of wild to think about that, but you should look into it if you've not heard of sous vide. It's a process of cooking food before you grill it, especially meats. But we're going to crack this and look at this. Woo! I love it. And there's, it's maybe a little tall, but that is a real poached egg. And I'm sure a lot of you can know how hard it might be to poach a perfect egg. And I said this could be just a little bit more, tiny bit more, but you can even cook these eggs at a certain temperature for a period of time, and you've pasteurized them, and they're safe to eat raw. So you can eat raw cookie dough. So let me get something that, well, I have something right here. I'm going to kind of just make a little cut into this so you can see the texture, that it should be a, actually that one's, no, that's interesting. Yeah, it's not quite as, so practice with it, but I think it's an amazing way to do meats, eggs, food. So check it out. This is David James, my first food video.